Okay, I'm gonna make this quick. But first off, I am not a financial advisor. Should you choose to invest in Bitcoin or any other asset, do your own research or seek the advice of an actual financial advisor. Now, I do not have a lot of time. As you're all aware of, we have been dropping, and honestly, it's looking a bit bearish now, and we could potentially see some more downside. There is a very strong support right here at roughly $8,000. Now, could we go down that far? Yes, we could potentially go down that far. But if we bounce from here, technically that would be a higher low on the long term from where this was and from where the last bottom was at 3,000 and so forth. So that's still on the long term is technically bullish. Short term, not so much. Now, given if we bounce from here, yes, that would be awesome. But if we don't bounce from here, we could end up at landing on the $8,000 support. Well, I would hope that we would bounce on that, at least get a bounce off of that one. Because if we go too lower than that, then it's not looking too good. But regardless of whether we bounce here or bounce down here, this could turn into an inverse head and shoulders, and that would have roughly the same price target as the cup and handle pattern did, because from the neckline to the tip of the head is roughly $4,000. So a breakout would have to be at roughly $10,500, and that would put the price target at roughly $14,000, and that would still give us a run up between $12,000 and $15,000 potentially by the halving. And so my prediction on that still has not changed despite the drop. So short term, it's looking a bit bearish. Long term, still bullish. Yeah. So if you're trading on, if you're day trading or swing trading on short term, I would definitely keep an eye on this. If we break this area, we could definitely end up going down to the 8,000 support, the $8,000 support here. But if we hold the line here, then we could potentially be on our way back up, and that would still qualify as an inverse head and shoulders. Either way, whether we bounce here or bounce down here, it would still qualify as an inverse head and shoulders. So this is a big ass inverse head and shoulders first off, and like I said, the price target of the inverse head and shoulders from the neckline to the tip of the inverse head and shoulders pattern is a $4,000 difference. So that would be adding roughly $4,000 to the breakout point wherever this breaks out in the near future. And that, like I said, that still falls within my $12,000 to $15,000 range for the run up before the halving. So my long term perspective has not changed. It hasn't even been dented. Short term, yes, I'm a little bit bearish, but for the dollar cost averagers out there, this could be some good opportunity to stack those stats. Yeah, it's raining. I'm at work, so I don't have a lot of time, and I'm getting soaked. With that, that is all I have for you guys today. I will see you all next time.